Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to update your iPhone to your latest software using your PC, your Windows, MacBook, or even your laptop or your iOS. Basically, we're going to utilize an application here. So as you can see, I'm currently utilizing a Windows PC and not a MacBook. However, if you're having a MacBook, the process should be technically the same. Now once you're in here, I just want you to go to Microsoft Store, this one right here. Now once you open it right there, let me just expand it just a little bit for your liking. And basically on here, type in iTunes. Once you're inside this one, look for iTunes, and as you can see right there, it is currently installed on my end. Alright? So what is this account? Basically iTunes is going to be an application cable or a lightning flash cable. Okay? Other than that, this is how it should look like. Once you insert your phone, it will automatically display here, and then it will ask you if you want an update. Just simply click yes and you'll be good to go. Automatically, your phone will be updated to the latest version using iTunes. And that's it. And this is actually really safe because this is from Apple Incorporated, not any other application. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys from the next one.